Ito. They did not understand the direction of the teacher.
Okay, Daylan and Nathan, are you done? Hmm?
Bye, I'm already done.
Okay, if you're done, you can now leave the class.
I'm here, teacher.
Okay. How about Johan? Are you done, Johan?
Teacher, why is the bottle is different than the LMS? Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, if you're done, you can now leave the class, Abigail.
Teacher, okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Teacher, why is it in the LMS is not, it's different than the modules?
Because you cannot color the star in the elements. Yes, Sean.
Number in number 2.
And number 2.
It says in number 2. It says there like when I'm done with number 1 and at number 2 it says there you know many things about your new lesson.
Yes, do you have here the picture on top? Can you see the picture? So the question is, what will you do if you know many things about your new lesson?
Sir, I'm done, sir.
Okay, if you are
I'm
done, you
done.
can now leave the class.
Bye. What's my answer?
You do not understand the lesson. Ask help and question. Ask question and help. Kolori din paggawa. Ako to ito.
How about Eliza? Razel, are you done? Aldez?
I'm almost done. Not done.
How about Natalia? Natalia? Are you done?
Teacher, I'm done. I'm done.
Okay, if you're done, you can now leave the class.
Teacher Diana, you
Yes?
know many things about your new lesson. What does that mean? You know new things about your new lesson.
La, you're not listening. Look at here. The picture is on top. You have the picture that asks the questions, what will you do if? What will you do if? Then you continue with the question in number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Example, you have what will you do if you know many things about your new lesson? What will you do if your battery operated toy stops working? So you have here you just refer to the questions, what will you do if? Okay, so you just have to continue that with the questions given for number 1 until 4.
You know how you know many things about your new lesson.
Natalia, are you done, Natalia?
No, not yet.
How about Eliza?
Not yet.
I'm good that you can answer.
Alright, so okay, if you're done, you can now leave.
Okay.
Those those who are not yet done, just continue with your work, and don't forget to pass your activity on Friday. Also, review in advance for the upcoming second mastery exam, which will be on next week. That's gonna be 19 to 20. All right, so let's say goodbye now. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Bye.
Okay, goodbye.